this is under vectors in mathematics. You are giving b to a to be 4, -3, right? Meaning that you move from b to a, and then you are giving a to c to be 4, 9, right? Okay, they say you should find the magnitude. So one keyword here is that you should know what this thing means, right? The meaning of the magnitude of what? BC. This word here, you must understand and know exactly what it means by pitches, right? What I mean by pitches is the magnitude. The word of the magnitude is a distance. Let's say you are here, then you move from here to a certain distance. So this is what you call the magnitude. You want to find the distance of this. What do you use? What do you have to use? You must know exactly what you have to use. So if you want to know a magnitude, this is what we call a magnitude, right? This guy is what we call a magnitude. So you must know this thing. If you don't know this thing, you can never solve a magnitude under this problem here. So the word magnitude here is the square root of a squared plus b squared. So you should know where this a is coming from. So this guy, this a here, you should know where the a is coming from. You should know where the b is also is coming from, right? So let's solve the question and see where we can get the a as well as where we can get the b here. But here, what are we finding? We are finding the magnitude of what? BC. So here, using the arrow to demonstrate that. So look at this triangle. Look at this guy here. This tells me that you are giving b to a, right? B to a. So this is what you are giving. You are giving b to a to be what? 4, -3. So meaning that this arrow on top of this guy here tells me that you are moving from what? From b, and then you are going to a, right? The arrow here by imagination. So meaning that we are moving from what? B here. We are moving from this place to this guy. Okay, so the same thing here. We are also have what? Means that we are moving from A to C. Okay, so let's use this picture to demonstrate that. So here the first one is that we are moving from B here to A. So here I'm having this arrow here, right? And then the second one is that we are moving from what? A to C. So here A, we are moving from this A to C. Look at the arrow here. Look at where the arrow is facing. So this guy is also facing. And then final part says that you should find the magnitude of B to C, meaning that you are moving from B to C. So look at what is happening. This guy is facing this way. This guy is also moving this way. And then finally this guy goes here. So now the trick here is that you must know these two arrows that follows each other. What it means that this guy follow this one. Is that okay? Obviously this guy follow that. Just look for that. So this guy here, the arrow, the pointers are there, follows what this guy say, right? So these are the two things that we are finding. So we are going to add this together. Tells me that it is equal to this this one portion here. So what I mean by that is that since this guy B A follows what A to C, so this guy here, this guy from B to A plus what A to C is equal to what B to C, right? So this is the arrow. This is the trick here, right? So this is a simple trick here. So the arrow that follows each other is what we are adding. Maybe another way of saying that, look at this A here ends what the point here. A is the starting point of this. So make sure that the two letters at the middle here are the same. Is that okay? Okay. Therefore the BC here is equal to B to A plus what A to C, right? We are giving B to A, and then you are also giving A to C. So A to C, B to A in the question is 4, -3, and then plus what A to C is 4, 9. So you just add the top to top, right? Top to top will give him what 80, and then down to down -3 plus 9 will give him what 60. So we are having, this is what B to C. They say you should find a magnitude. As you know now, this is what we call a magnitude. So this guy is what is your A here, and then this guy is your B, right? Then you just need to plug them. That is why I say earlier on that you must know this guy. This is what we call a magnitude. So you must know this boy. Okay, so once you know, they just plug in. So we are having A to be 8 here, so A squared plus 1, B to be 6, and then C squared. That should be what root 10. So the square root of root 100, root 100 here. The square root of root 100 is equal to 10 units. So this is how simple you find the magnitude of this vector under this type of question. So thank you for watching this.